In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and turn on dark mode or light mode in Figma. Whether you're working late at night or designing in a bright studio, switching the interface theme can make a big difference in comfort, focus, and how you perceive colors on screen. I'll walk you through the simple steps, explain what changes when you switch themes, and share a few quick tips so you can choose the option that feels best for you. First, open Figma. You can use the desktop app or the web version in your browser. The theme toggle works the same way in both. Once you're on the home screen or inside a file, you're ready to access your appearance settings. Next, click your profile. You'll find your profile avatar in the top right corner of the Figma window. If you haven't set a photo, it may show your initials instead. Clicking it opens a small menu where you can manage account preferences and app appearance. This is where the theme setting lives, so keep your cursor in that menu panel. Now, click Theme. In that profile menu, look for the Theme option. Opening Theme brings up your appearance choices. It's important to know that this setting changes Figma's interface only: the panels, toolbars, menus, and Canvas Chrome. It does not alter the colors inside your design files, so your work remains exactly the way you created it. Think of theme as a personal comfort setting that applies to the app's UI. Finally, choose light or dark. Click the option you prefer, and Figma will switch instantly. You'll see the background, side panels, and top bar update right away, so you can quickly decide which look feels better for your eyes and your environment. The choice you make is saved to your account on that device, so the next time you open Figma, it will remember your preference without any extra steps. If you have multiple Figma windows open, the change applies across them for a consistent workspace. A few quick tips as you choose. Dark mode can reduce glare and eye strain in low-light conditions, while light mode can improve readability in bright spaces. If you're evaluating color contrast or designing for accessibility, try viewing your work against both themes over time. The surrounding UI can subtly influence perceived contrast. And remember, switching themes does not affect collaborators or shared files. This is a personal setting, so pick whichever helps you stay focused longer. That's all you need to use and turn on dark mode or light mode in Figma. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.